Hello everyone. So after the completing of our lesson, that's our government. So in this lesson we have studied the branches of the government and the levels of the government. So today we are going to discuss about the exercise. So you can see the question is there, match the following. So now here is the some governments and the workers of the governments which are the part of the government, that given we want to match the what they do, what's their task, we want to match it. So first is their center government. So you know the what's the center government is there, how they take care of the state as well as the union territories. So center government is the takes care of the union territory. So first option is there the E. Next is their state government, central government and the state government. So state government is the takes care of the health service of the state. Whatever the problems of the state related, health related problems in the states, that all takes care by the state government. Next is their judiciary. So what their work is to delivers the justice, Gram Panchayat, now you know this is the local self-government, and that is the, we want to match it is the local self-government, example is the Gram Panchayat. Next is there Sarpanch. Sarpanch is the head of the Panchayat. Gram Panchayat का head जो होता है सरपंच होता है, that is the local self-government. So the Sarpanch is the head of the Panchayat. So you should be write its proper number in front of the proper letter in front of that sentence. So next is there, we are going to see find the new words you have learned in this chapter. So this is the very funny activity. Mostly you like this activity. You should be complete this. Find the new words you have learned in this chapter in the grid. So whatever the new words we learn in that are the central government, state government, local self-government, and the legislatures, executive and the judiciary. You want to find out the many words from this grid. So two words I can explain you, that is the citizen, then next is there CITIZEN, citizen. Next is there executive. So executive, 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 this is the new word. So many are the new words in that, so you can find it. So filling the blanks. So here is the 5 filling the blanks on the base of some definitions and the information of the government. So the dash consists of a group of the people who govern the country. Now who consists of the group of the people? The government consists of the group of the people who govern the country. Now this is the definition of government. What is the government? Consists the group of the people who govern the country. Next is there, the government is made up of dash branches. Government कितने branch से बना है? You also know there are the 3 branches of the government, that are legislature, executive and the judiciary. Next is there the government that is the responsible for the ruling over the whole country. Who is this responsible for govern the country? पूरे country का who is take care of the all country, otherwise all the states of the country, that is the central government, otherwise the union government ruling over the country. Next, the government of a state is called, state के governments को हम क्या कहेंगे? That is the state government. What? State government. It is located the capital of the states. So state government. Next, the head of the municipal council. Who is the head of the municipal council? That is the mayor. So you can read the lesson carefully, you will get the answers. So municipal council and Nagar Panchayats, the municipal corporation is the head of the mayor. Sorry, municipal council's head is their chairperson. Who is their chairperson? So you should be right here the chairperson. So next is there, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Name the three branches of the government. Name the three branches of the government. So it is the very simple, that are the you can see here the page number 88. Central government, state government, and this is the what question is there? The branches of the government. There are the three branches of the government: legislatures, executive, and the judiciary. You should be right these three. The government in the India of the three branches are there, that are the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. Next is there, what are the duties of Gram Panchayat? What are the duties of the Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat की duties क्या है? So you should be know the Gram Panchayat is the located on the local self government, and here is the duties given on the page number 89. The various responsibilities of the panchayat are to provide clean water, make roads, run schools, health centers, hospitals, and so on. So these are the some duties of the Gram Panchayat. Next is there, question 2 remain. Where are the center and the state government located in the India? So center government where located? It is center government is located on the capital of the country. Capital of the country. It is our central government, union government is located on the New Delhi. Second is there, the state government is located on the capital of the states. Capital of the states. Next question is there, this over. Fourth, what is a municipal corporation? What is a municipal corporation? So that also you go throughout the page number 89. So in town and the cities, the local self-government bodies include the municipal corporation. So whatever the municipal corporations is there, that are the at the level of the town and city, local self-government at the town and city, that is known as the municipal corporation. So whatever the question answers, this I will detail you in the for writing in your group. So next is there, what are the responsibilities of the local self-government bodies in town and the cities? So what are the responsibilities of local self-government bodies in the town and city? Town and city means जहाँ पे नगर पंचायत है as well as the municipal council है, नगर पंचायत. So chairperson is the head of the nagar panchayat or municipal council chairperson. So they have this responsibility. Gram panchayat or the whatever the nagar panchayat municipal council, they have the similar work. So here is given responsibilities such as the collecting the garbage, providing the safe drinking water and the electricity, building and the repairing the roads, and the maintaining the government run school. These all are the some responsibilities should done by the municipal corporation, the whatever the local self-government in the towns and cities. It means the Nagar Panchayat and municipal corporation. You should be right this one. Responsibilities such as the till the school. So next question is there, filling the boxes with the correct answers from the options given below. So here is the some options given. So this is the our government, then you should be right the our government on the first. They have the three branch, that is the legislatures, executive, judiciary. So legislatures works to make the laws, implements the laws, and the provides the justice. You should be complete this diagram. Next we are going to see here the think it over questions. Think it over question. So already you know there are the government is selected by the elections, from the people, from the citizens. So you know that governments are elected by the people. However, many citizens do not vote regularly during the elections. Having read the various important functions that different level of the government performs, how important do you think it is citizens to vote during the elections? नाउ आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग इलेक्शंस के लिए उनके नेम्स होते हैं वोटिंग्स के लिए, बट दे आर नॉट गो फॉर द ऑन द वोटिंग डे. वोटिंग के दिन आपका जो मतदान है, आपका जो राइट्स है, तो उसको डिलीवर्स करने के लिए वो नहीं चाहते हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट ने अलॉट सम स्कीम्स, कुछ ऐसे एडवर्टाइज करना है. दे शुड बी डू द एडवर्टाइज अबाउट द इलेक्शंस के बारे में एडवर्टाइज करना है. दे शुड बी मेनी एक्टिविटी दे कैन परफॉर्म द हाउ दिस वोट इज प्रेशियस फॉर देम. जो हम मतदान कर रहे हैं तो ये कितना प्रेशियस है कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट्स को बिल्ड करने के लिए, गवर्नमेंट्स को बनाने के लिए. बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट्स वी कैन मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट्स, देन ओनली कंट्री विल द डेवलप. कंट्री तभी डेवलप होगी जब हम अच्छा गुड गवर्नमेंट सेलेक्ट करेंगे, अच्छा जो भी वर्कफुल गवर्नमेंट सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सो वी शुड नो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द वोटिंग. हमें मतदान का जो है ये पूरा राइट समझ में आना चाहिए, उसके इम्पोर्टेंस समझ में आना चाहिए ताकि हम उसको फॉलो कर सकें. एंड दिस शुड बी explained by the government and they should be perform the different activities on the voting purpose. So next is their activity corner. Here is the one activity for you. So which activity? This is the activity related to the our government. हमारे government से related activity है. Now already you have studied here the central government and the state government and the local self government. So today we are going to, you want to find out the detailed information about the central government. Which government? Central government. Now central government is work for the 5 years. Continuously they work for the 5 years. Divide the class into, now this is the activity when we are in the class, but you can do at home. Some can do the another, some can do. So there is the, we want to 15 central levels जो भी है, सेंट्रल लेवल्स का गवर्नमेंट जो उनका 15 इयर्स का रिकॉर्ड निकालना है. 15 इयर्स, लास्ट 15 इयर्स व्हाट दे वर्क एंड हु इज द विच पार्टी का, कौन से पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का गवर्नमेंट था. सो दैट यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट. सो द चार्ट मस्ट कंटेन द फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. आपको चार्ट बनाना है सेंट्रल लेवल्स गवर्नमेंट का, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द सेंट्रल लेवल. तो 15 इयर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन कितनी है, एक चार्ट लिखना है. चार्ट में व्हाट यू वांट राइट, टाइम पीरियड. टाइम पीरियड मतलब 2001 टू 2015, ये 5 इयर्स में कौन वर्क किया, विच पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने वर्क किया. नाउ टाइम पीरियड इज डिफरेंट एक्चुअली, सो दैट यू शुड बी 2001 टू 2005, ये 5 इयर्स, ये टाइम पीरियड में विच पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज गवर्न द कंट्री, कंट्री को कौन रूल ओवर कर रहा था. सो दैट यू शुड बी नो टाइम पीरियड 5 इयर्स. ईयर यू वांट टू मेंशन. नेक्स्ट इज देयर नेम ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड प्रेसिडेंट्स कौन थे, ये सुनो 2001 में कौन प्रेसिडेंट्स थे. सो यू शुड बी राइट द प्रेसिडेंट एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सो देन 2 ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लॉज पास्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट में ऐसे कौन से 2 लॉज जो है पास किए थे. नाउ लॉज मीन्स समथिंग न्यू दे आर चेंज इन द सिटी. अभी लॉज ऐसे पास होते कि सम आर रिलेटेड टू द फार्मर, सम आर रिलेटेड टू द सिटीजन्स, सम आर रिलेटेड टू द बिजनेस. दिस आर ऑल डिफरेंट रूल्स. तो ये rules follow किए. Next, image gallery. If we have the some images from the Google, we should be take out. We can paste the pictures also on the our chart. So you should be complete this activity at home. Then life skill. So imagine yourself to be the सरपंच of the village. Life skill. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द फ्यूचर, अभी कुछ फ्यूचर में है जबकि आपका आप यू आर लिव इन द विलेजेस, अदरवाइज एनी म्यूनसिपल कारपोरेशन. सो व्हाट वर्क शुड बी डू इफ यू बिकम द हेड ऑफ द चेयरमैन, अदर्स मेयर एंड द सरपंच आप बन गए इन द फ्यूचर. आपका टारगेट है, एम है, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वांट टू बिकम द डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर. सेम इफ यू आर बिकम द सरपंच ऑफ योर विलेज, आपके विलेज के सरपंच बन गए. सो सम विलेजर्स हु डू नॉट नो हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट हैव एक्सप्रेस देयर डिजायर्स टू स्टडी बट दे वर्क इन द फील्ड इन द मॉर्निंग. हाउ डू यू हेल्प देम? अभी आपके गांव में कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं कि उनको दे डोंट नो रीडिंग एंड द राइटिंग. अभी इफ द आपको ऐसे बोलते हैं, द वर्ड इज सेड दैट इफ द फैमिली इज एजुकेटेड, अगर हमारे घर में कोई एजुकेटेड है तो वो पूरी फैमिली, फादर मदर एजुकेटेड है तो पूरी फैमिली एक अच्छे एजुकेशन की तरफ चली जाती है. सो एक आप सरपंच बन गए, आपके गांव में कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं कि उनको रीडिंग राइटिंग नहीं आती है, तो आपको उनको सिखाना है. दे यू वांट टू टीच देम हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट. बट द पीपल्स हु डोंट नो रीडिंग राइटिंग, दे मॉर्निंग ओनली वेंट इन द फील्ड, सुबह उठ के ही चले जाते खेत में, एंड इवनिंग दे आर कम एट द होम. इवनिंग को 6-7 बजे वो घर पे आते. तो व्हेन यू विल टीच देम रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, आप ये एक्टिविटी उनके जो भी है एक्टिविटी है पर वो उनको सिखाना है रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. हाउ यू विल टेक, आप कब लेंगे उनकी रीडिंग, उनकी स्टडी कब लेंगे. सो यू शुड बी गो थ्रू, आपने ये कैसे करेंगे, यू शुड बी प्लान इट, यू शुड बी फॉलो इट. आपको उनको रीडिंग राइटिंग सिखाना है. यू शुड बी, आप कब सिखा सकते हैं? एट द नाइट टाइम. आप नाइट का भी टाइम, इवनिंग का टाइम भी यूज़ करके उनको रीडिंग राइटिंग सिखा सकते हैं. सो उसे इवनिंग स्कूल भी बोलते हैं. दिस हमारे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने पहले ही बहुत साल पहले ये इसे स्कीम को अडॉप्ट किया था. सो वुड यू हेल्प टू देम, आप हेल्प करेंगे उनको. सो दिस इज शुड बी प्लान इन द फ्यूचर. आपके भी नज़दीक पड़ोसी में अगर कोई ऐसे है कि उनको रीडिंग राइटिंग नहीं आ रही, तो यू शुड बी टीच देम. सो मे यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ द लेसन्स एक्सरसाइज. दिस यू शुड बी फिल एट द होम एंड द our lesson is finished. That's the our government. So have a nice day. Thank you.